Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Onepay account step by step. Let's get started. First, go to official Onepay website, which is onepay.com, or download the official Onepay app from your app store. And once you're in the website or app, look for Join Onepay button and tap it to start creating your account. And here you'll be asked to provide some basic information such as your name and phone number. So make sure that you have these details ready. Next, enter your phone number that you want to register with OnePay. Then tap Next. OnePay will send a verification code to your phone number and enter the code to verify your number and continue. And after your phone number is verified, you'll be asked to complete the personal details like your full name and other required information. And here you can now start using OnePay through the official website or in the mobile app. As you can see, the process is simple, quick, and beginner friendly. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.